Good morning, y'all. We are headed to take Solomon to school. Usually Joshua does this, but he has Jamaria this morning, so I'm taking him.
Dad do this every day, guys.
Yes, he does.
So
I gotta put on the heater because it's cold as all our doors out here. Wait a minute, now what is going on? Why I don't feel the air coming out of here? I mean the heat. Oh no. I literally don't feel no heat. No, it should be coming out of the top. Alright, y'all. I'll come back to y'all after I take him to school.
Be what I wanna be what I wanna be. If I work hard at it, it's what I wanna be. I'm what I wanna be.
Okay, y'all, I'm at Burger King.
Thank you for choosing Border King. My name is Maria. May I help you?
Yes, can I have your fully loaded croissant sandwich, the meal?
Coffee or orange juice?
What was that? Orange juice?
Orange juice?
Yes.
Okay.
And that'll be it.
Thank you for your order. Second window, please.
Baby, that accent was thick. Thick. I'm going slow, so y'all won't fall. I ain't got time for another broken camera. Cause baby ain't gonna give me another one. Alright. Y'all, I am not a morning person. Like, at all. 6. At all. But I'm gonna get me some coffee. Jamaria is up, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. And Joshua is the one that was tossing and turning last night. Yo. Crazy. Ooh. Itching. Yeah, but I'm about to go to Starbucks after this. I don't know if I'm going to get me a hot drink or my usual. I don't know. I need to stop playing because I usually just get my caramel ribbon crunch. But shit, it's a little chilly outside today. Shoots. Solomon said we should have brought our jackets. And every time I do send him with a jacket, he never wears the jacket. It's stuck in his backpack. But he wasted like juice and stuff all over his jacket yesterday, so I have to wash it. That's why I didn't send him with one. I actually need to go and look for him a coat or a windbreaker or whatever. Well, I need to get him a coat and a hoodie because nobody really wear windbreakers no more. Josh got a windbreaker though, but his windbreaker live. It's a Cookies windbreaker. Yes, it's 51, child. Hello. Good morning. How much is it? 8?
$8.43.
Okay. Child, why I seen 540 on the other thing? That's 9. It's breaking before my ends. But yeah, y'all, I'll come back to y'all here when I go to Starbucks.
It's gonna be alright. Keep your head up to the sky. Back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drip, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had to watch so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. If it ain't your car, you just a Lisa, you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that 5 when I'm performing. The back end just came in and all honest. Vibes galore cute, they all on us. Hey, for fun. Hey, for fun.
Josh watching battle rap. y'all, it is much later. We are here picking up Solomon from school. Tomorrow is pajama day, so we are going to head to Target so we can pick him up some pajamas. And I also might get that infamous mop that went viral on TikTok. I seen they had them there at Target for $40. So I'm gonna talk to Josh and see if he want to go ahead and get it, because he been saying that we were gonna get it. So we're gonna see once we get there. But yeah, y'all, I just wanted to check in and let y'all know what it is, what it do, what we got going on. So yeah, I'll call y'all back when we get to Target. Okay, try it. Do you like it? You like it?
Not bad.
It's not bad.
Singing about yeah.
Y'all, we just pulled up to the Cheesecake Factory. We are about to grab some dinner, some grub, whatever you want to call it. We're about to eat. So, and Josh wants to go find some cologne.
Yeah.
Okay. He wants to go look for some cologne. After this, we'll see if his answer stays the same after he get done eating. So, yeah, y'all. Oh, we didn't end up doing... I forgot about the mop. I honestly forgot about the mop. Why did it look like Tanya?
Mom, don't stop. Mom.
Why does that look like Tanya? Oh, no, that's not it. I actually forgot about the mop, but we did end up getting a microwave. We really do need a microwave. So, yeah, we got that. But, yeah. The mop coming though. I gotta get that mop. I really do. So yeah, y'all, we about to go up in here so we can grub, and we'll see y'all inside. Real quick, y'all. Josh wants me to try his beer. It's Blue Moon. I don't drink beer. It's alright. It's alright. So we stopped here at Dick's Sporting Goods. Josh is looking for a mat that he can roll on. Yeah, roll as far as like jujitsu. He's into all that good stuff. So he's been talking about getting this mat for a very long time. So hopefully he can find it in here. If not, I'm gonna try to look on Amazon. It's got a little windy. It feels good. Oh, it feels really good. Shoot, I'm gonna have to start packing his blanket. And got a little cool breeze. Hey y'all, so we just making it back home. Y'all, how about we leaving out the mall parking lot and there's a whole high-speed chase going on in front of us.
Down at 60 miles an hour in lane 1.
Y'all, like, I start seeing a whole bunch of cops coming our way or whatever, and I'm like, oh, like, dang, they flying? Child, then I end up seeing a white car, like, flying by in front of us. And I was like, oh, shoot. Like, it looked all banged up and stuff. And then it was like, woof, woof, woof. I'm like, oh, shoot. Josh like, get the camera, get the camera. I'm just sitting there like I couldn't believe what was going on in front of my eyes, y'all. That's crazy. I'm like, Josh, we usually see this kind of stuff on the news. Not, like, right dead in front of us. Like, it was really, really close. So, yeah, y'all. I'll show y'all the little things that we got from Target. I end up finding the matching pajama sets because I'm gonna get a head start on Vlogmas. A head start. I'm getting a head start on Vlogmas, so I want to do our intro. Well, I'm not gonna do the intro until I start decorating, but like I said, I got the matching pajama sets so that I can film an intro or whatever, and yeah, for us to wear on Christmas morning. So let me get up so show y'all this stuff because I need to start editing, y'all. Hopefully I don't have to wait until 9 to post this video, but I got a lot of editing to do. So anyway, let me turn off my light. Okay, we got Jamarie this stroller because the big stroller is so inconvenient. We got 2 cases of water. Let's see. We needed some more juice, so y'all know what it is, what it do. I'm with the Simply watermelon. I think Solomon picked out these socks. He sure... No, these are Joshua's. Joshua picked out these Christmas socks. This is 6 to 9 months that I got for Jamarie to wear. Him and Solomon is going to be matching, and me and Josh is going to be matching. And so here is for Solomon. Too cute, very affordable price. Then Solomon, yeah, because it's the kids. Solomon picked out these socks for him. And then I picked out these socks for me. And then we just got, some more juice. The Simply watermelon and the blueberry. This here is Solomon's robe. This is his little robe that Josh picked out for Solomon. See right here is our new microwave. Was much needed. Oh, it goes this way. These are for Joshua. 2-piece set. And these were $25. I got a large. Hold on, Pop. And then $25. Really went in there for. Got this for Solomon for pajama day for tomorrow. 3-piece set. But of course he's going to wear the pants. Hold on, y'all. Alright, y'all. I ended up showing y'all everything that I ended up getting from Target. So I think I'm going to end the video here. I'm about to be really busy right now because I have to put all the stuff up. I need to start a load of laundry. Sayo is in the shower. I'm about to change Jamarie. It's a whole situation. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. If you made it to this point, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not already, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.